In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix 1099 mapping when grayed out in QuickBooks. If you've opened the 1099 area and the mapping fields are disabled, it's usually because you're not inside the official 1099 workflow. The quickest fix is to reach the mapping screen through the Contractors Hub. I'll walk you there now and explain what you'll see along the way. Start by going to QuickBooks. Sign into the company you're working on and land on the main dashboard. From the left navigation, select Expenses and Bills. This brings you to the Expenses workspace where vendor and bill tools live, and it's the right path to reach the 1099 configuration. Next, choose Contractors. You'll see your list of contractors and any payments tracked for the year. This tab is special because it's tied directly to the 1099 setup, which is why it's the best place to access mapping when it appears locked elsewhere. Now click Prepare 1099s. This opens the guided 1099 setup. When you enter through here, the mapping controls become active instead of grayed out. The wizard will walk you through the year selection, company details, contractor eligibility, and the key part, mapping your expense accounts to the correct 1099 boxes. In the mapping section, you're telling QuickBooks which expense accounts represent non-employee compensation and any other applicable boxes. For many businesses, non-employee compensation is the primary category. Choose the expense accounts you actually use to pay contractors during the tax year. You're not changing your chart of accounts, you're simply connecting existing accounts to the 1099 boxes so the totals flow correctly. While you're here, glance over each contractor's info to confirm taxpayer details are complete and that they're marked as eligible for 1099s. If an account was mapped previously and looks wrong, you can update the selection and QuickBooks will recalculate the amounts immediately based on the payments you recorded. This ensures your filings reflect the true totals for the year. If you still see options grayed out after entering through Prepare 1099s, double-check that you're in the correct company file, refresh your browser, or try a private window to clear cached pages. Those small checks typically clear up lingering lockouts so you can finish the mapping without interruptions. Once the mappings look right, continue through the steps in the wizard to save. By navigating through Expenses and Bills, then Contractors, and opening Prepare 1099s, you unlock the mapping tools and fix the grayed out issue the proper way.